Hey, what's up, guys? Want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that could end up possibly trending very well. This has to do with the news that broke last night about the FBI raiding Donald Trump's house in Mar-a-Lago, in Florida. And so the phrase is, "They even broke into my safe." So Trump ended up writing basically this kind of a big post on his blog, on his social media site. And at the end, he said that they even broke into my safe. So we're going to see that there are only 4 results for this. And the reason I like this niche is because any niche that's pro-American president or anti-American president, anything that's political like this, has the potential to basically go viral. And so what you want to do is you want to get in early and position yourself so that in case this phrase or this niche does go viral, you will already have, several designs up, ready to go. Because right now you can see there's only 4 listings, no BSR yet. Maybe they've sold, maybe they've not. But again, you just want to be in position that in case this niche does go viral and does take off, you want to make sure that you have some designs up. So this is a phrase right here. They even broke into my safe. It has to do with the news from last night that just popped up. Right here, you're going to see Republicans speak out against FBI raid of Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate. So that's where the niche comes from. And I'm not going to go into like Etsy and Redbubble and TeePublic like I usually do, because this niche is just so brand new that I highly doubt there's any competition. I highly doubt it's trademarked, but it's always just a good idea just to double check. So they even broke into my safe. Check test, hit enter, nothing pops up. So the way that I would basically like attack this niche or go after this niche is I would find other successful t-shirts in the Trump or MAGA niche. So right here you can see we have some Trump shirts, and basically what you can use is you can use these designs basically as templates, and all you have to do is just change out the text and add in the phrase, which is "they even broke into my safe." So like, for example, you can just basically do something very similar like this and just change the text. Another option could be like, this is very popular too, where you have the text on the top, text on the bottom, and then the flag in between, and then you just use the phrase that I was talking about. Another good one is where you have the red box. Let's see if I can find it. Should be here. Yeah, right here. So something like this, where you have the red box and you basically have the stars on the top and on the bottom. Then you just add the phrase, "they even raided my case." Right? So, or my safe, I should say. So that's the niche. Again, it's not like exploding yet, but this could go viral. Again, you want to put yourself in position so that in case it does, we can take advantage of the opportunity. And if you've been on merch for a while, you know that these political niches, can do very well. So again, put yourself in position to maybe take advantage of a great opportunity. So this is the niche for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, click the bell. I'm trying to put out videos on a daily basis, just as long as I see something, a niche that's actually worth making a video about. I'm probably going to put out a video today or tomorrow, about a design tutorial. So see if you guys like that kind of stuff. And that's basically it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.